headlines. Kokomi upset over refusal by Amit Shah to provide written assurance. CM Biren urges Kokomi to withdraw Sangai Festival boycott stand. And 400 farmers Sonia Gandhi invited to Uddhav Thackeray's oath ceremony. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. The Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Coordinator Sunil Karam today expressed dissatisfaction that Union Home Amit Shah refused to provide a written assurance to the committee vis-a-vis protection of Manipur's integrity against the Indo-Naga political settlement. Speaking to reporters upon his arrival at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport from New Delhi, Sunil also said that Kokomi's stand to boycott Sangai Festival remains unchanged. He also appealed to the public to extend support to the committee and attend the upcoming public meeting to be organized by committee on November 29.
Barbell assurance Manipur any administrative setup hello having a single pump Tambere. Other one put a palmsary body. I could return them a pibira akanda, Manipur Sarang, River Koiba Mayamzinja, return to Mokpira Tabanina. I quite much the Yamna penning away in a low way. Adubu Mokoina Pibira Eva, Wapam Mayamzinja. Masika am not on Tokado on Toydon, have his shock young Mususangi. Tabudo Mokoi Makadi, Hirakayaba Manipur interest, soaked another Honagani Habagi, Akamama Kadi, Tamay. I don't know, I could give you on Sida, Quiggy Saluba Conchana Sitagidi. I quite Kitanga Quiggy Yamna penning ID or 3 Aduga Luna. I could hide even Wapam Singja. I quite Matamkra, Yang Bagi, Tangai Padu, Layan when the Tanzania, Kokomina Sanjala Gibahana, Sanjan Giba Kongjang, Amata home later. Any Makalam take home later.
KH Athoba and Nando Luang, who were also part of the Kokomi team who met Amit Shah in New Delhi, said that the committee will place the details of the meeting with the Union Home Minister in the November 29 meeting. Media coordinator of Kokomi, Jitendra Ningomba, urged the state media for their kind cooperation in the effort to safeguard the state and its interest.
Other 29 the high just yes or no, the highway at the Bakoi explain to our high gave 29 the higher. The Tama 29 public detail the breaking of the period now. The still made a mark quite Karato, Madu Matung, the Korean can agree with my own Pamido, do the 29 Matung the Mayam Toruga, Pino Honor gave.
Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today said that Kokomi should withdraw the boycott imposed on the ongoing Manipur Sangai Festival, claiming that two of its key demands have been met by the centre. He was briefing media at the CM's secretariat where cabinet ministers, MLAs and other officials were also present. Biren expressed happiness that leaders of Kokomi had a talk with Union Home Minister Amit Shah regarding the Naga Framework Agreement. Besides sharing sentiment of the people to the leader concerning the matter, further, the Chief Minister said that he, along with other two MLAs, also took part in the meeting, and during which Amit Shah himself had assured that the final settlement of Naga talks will not affect the territorial integrity and administrative structure of the state. He added that Amit Shah had also assured that in case the outcome of Indo-Naga peace talks posed threat to the state, then the centre would convene a joint meeting of all stakeholders of the state to review it.
Or Hogodore have a Kangpamatam to prevent our Salagadi. Or hire a mark to the Yaur Satan Bahonagadi. Sengarang Hamakta Sumaina Mamang the Gitor Amagadi. See, Quillinary tension, Uncanary report, Bapta another report say, I told Moidrainical. Nagatona Maramorakana Manipuria, Punbagi Sectum, Simaka Hello, as me and clear with it. I coin administrative setup, see, and stop with an whatever state government get through the Tonga have a port to Yai. मसीदे कोई याम कना डिटेल आई हुजिक सकिरोगे मरमदी करिगनो हर कंदा गरांग मक रिटर्न पीओ एना कोई कोकोमी की कांगबुना रिटर्न पीओ एश्योरेंस मन हाइबा कंदा असुकुइना वारी साराई बनगागी सिनाउलु सकोई एश्योरेंस पीद्री अनु एश्योरेंस पी यारोय हयेंग मदुगी करिगुंबा इन केस नखोइना चिंगनरिबा पोसिदैदा करिगुंबा हयेंग डिमांड करिगुंबा क्वेश्चन खर राइज तौरगदी मदु अमुहन नोइदा नोइगी सिविल सोसाइटी इंक्लूडिंग ऑपोजिशन लीडर्स याउना कौरगा अमो आई तानखिगनी हाइदना याम ओपन नोइना याम ट्रांसपेरेंटली मायमांग थमे.
A day ahead of Uddhav Thackeray's oath-taking as Maharashtra's Chief Minister, the Congress has reportedly agreed to give up its claim on the Speaker's post in return for 13 berths, 9 cabinet and 4 state. The possible names during the rounds for the cabinet berths are Vijay Namdevrao, Vadi Tiwar, Yashomati Thakur, Nana Patole, Varsha Gaikwad, Amin Patel, Ashok Chavan, Amit Deshmukh, Banti Patil, Vishwajit Khadam, KC Padvi and 4 state ministers. According to media reports, it was revealed that the parties have agreed upon 16 berths for the Sena and 15 for the NCP. Today saw hectic developments in the state as the 288 new MLAs were sworn in. The decision to elect Thackeray as nominee for CM's post was taken at a joint meeting of the three parties at a hotel in Mumbai, hours after the 3-day-old BJP government led by Devendra Fadnavis and supported by NCP's Ajit Pawar collapsed. Ajit Pawar had earlier resigned as the Deputy Chief Minister. The swearing-in ceremony, which was earlier scheduled for December 1st, has been brought forward. It will be held at Shivaji Park in central Mumbai tomorrow. Thackeray, who will be the first member of his family to occupy the top political post, said his government will not seek revenge against anyone. Meanwhile, around 400 farmers from various districts of Maharashtra have been invited for Uddhav Thackeray's swearing-in ceremony tomorrow to give respect to the farmers. Family members of those farmers who committed suicide have also been invited. Socialist Students' Union of Manipur has appealed to the Federation of Government College Teachers Association and state government to resolve the impasse in the interest of students. SSUM in a statement said that the ongoing cease work strike by FEGOCTA over 7th pay has created a serious problem to the students as the schedule for the semester examination is approaching. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam today appealed to the protesting FEGOCTA to withdraw their cease work strike in the interest of the students' future. The minister was distributing appointment letters to aided school teachers in Imphal. Radheshyam urged the newly appointed teachers to work hard for the welfare of their students. The event was also attended by K.H. Raghumani IAS and Director of Education as Thokchop Kiran Kumar.
Lawyer, civil right activist, matai manong 78 years. India the first time la ima notice yang ni Sangai festival yang aga hornbill amuk yang masakani ma ga iga flight manum no wari sani. Some me la kwa gawati de kakala ko masu kakala ai ngoni handshake to wa ngang na bodar mara ngona me. You must be an important person. Because many people are greeting you. No one greet. No, I am simple man. Nang kari thabak to I used to help people. Adum wari dum hakan woi dum ngan item na yara police or me they kari dawai suma politician to wari adum amaga wari dum saraga apoi live.
The 3-day Silver Jubilee celebration on the theme Nurture the Indigenous Religion of Tingkhau Rawang Chapriak. TRC of Tingkhau Rawang Chapriak, Phom, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland has concluded at Tingkhau Rawang Kalumkai, Chingmerong Kabui village, Imphal today. Delegates from states of Assam, Manipur, Nagaland and other states attended the 3-day-long grand celebration. Ho-hoing, oblation of holy wine, Tao Jaimai, folk song and dances of various forms marked the concluding day of the Silver Jubilee celebration. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, Imphal Municipal Council Co-operator Maibon Faumai, who graced the valedictory function as chief guest, opined that the core target of the function is to preserve and promote the indigenous religion of the Julaigrong forefather. TRC by involving all the delegates from 3 states of Assam, Manipur and Nagaland.
observe toribasina akoi Manipur da hojik leriba issue da community tungan na leriba community myamda wakhan manadaba irang langba asise masi jubilee na lakpa adu loisin khiba asina punamak ase tangdu leitana leina bagi damakta aigi side agi Manipur Praja punamakta appeal tojari.
The 3-day celebration on the existence of Tingkau Ragong Chapriak form, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland called the Silver Jubilee, which is going on here at Chingmai Rong, Tingkau Ragong Kalumkai, concludes today. Delegates from different states like Assam, Manipur, Nagaland and thousands of youths are attending the concluding the valedictory function of the Silver Jubilee celebration. And the peoples and the organizing committee express love, peaceful coexistence and harmony among the people of Manipur. With camera person Ojit, this is Blessing Yangmai for TOMTV News, Chingmai Rong.
The Dattopant Thengari Birth Centenary Celebration Committee, Manipur celebrated the birth centenary of Dattopant Thengari at GM Hall, Imphal today. Dattopant Thengari, a founder member of RSS, played a significant role in Indian freedom movement. The celebration was attended by Works Minister T.H. Biswajit, President of the Celebration Committee Dr. Sinam Rajendra, President of Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh C.K. Sajid Narayanji, and Northeast in charge of Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh and Tomba. Sangh members paid floral tribute to the photo of Dattopant. At the event, a biography book of Dattopant Thengari and songs of the Sangh were also released. During the function, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit talked about the life of Dattopant. The minister said that we must remember Dattopant and his great works.
masi magi mahut bi amata mana to to pudi masna ekona liwada yamna sanga loibana roi da ba gona duga thaba paktani to to koi koi ngasi akoi ke samaj da natraga akoi mari le na akoi bharat sarkar na amadi state sarkar na pakali posing si magi the basis for the pakat se pasal kaya ba koi hai si wa ke thum ni dunia da jai ne jo aja kare akoi bharatiya janata party da maroi na Hama President founder Bharatiya Janata Sangha ki Janata Party da tappi ki pai ko Atal Bihari Vajpayee se silma contemporary ko na thabak kamina ka ma full time prachar ko na tom lai ki ba matam da su prachar ko na lai ki se makoi sine na thamjaba.
The Affected Landowners Association against the construction of mega food park at 44 YTB Lokol has condemned T.H. Biswajit's statement that a mega food park will be set up at YTB Lokol. The association said that YTB Lokol is the only source of livelihood of the people in the area. On behalf of all locals, the association appealed to the Manipur government for deliverance of justice under the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014. Time for a short commercial break, but coming up next. Assam's first transgender judge Swati Bidan Barua feted at BIR Bir Tikentajit International Airport. More after the break.
Iramdam da fangba polam singna iramdam asimakta da sajaba kangla gi polam sing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyam gi damak leizare leima kabok loinana luhong bagi yakhanaba discount su izari akupa marol gi damak contact obiu 8131877217 natraga 9612056941
kangla kabok chabiu yamna hawbani
kangla leima kabok
yang ware
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabado koknaba rebalance. Rebalance na haksang gi salt amadi electrolytes singi awat pa mekhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thamba ngamali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Welcome back. Airport Authority of India today felicitated Swati Bidan Barua, who has been appointed as the first legal counsel of AAI. The felicitation function was held at the Bir Tikentajit International Airport, Imphal. A sensitization awareness program on gender equality was also held at the venue. Talking to media, Regional Executive Director of Northeastern Region Sanjeev Jindal said that transgender will now be allowed to work at the Imphal International Airport. On the other hand, Swati Bidan Barua, who is also Assam's first transgender judge, said that transgenders play a huge role in various activities. However, the masses in Manipur find it hard to accept them the way they are.
But to understand the entire aspect of that bill, we have to see what does NALSA say in the 2014 verdict. The NALSA gives us the power to identify ourselves as transgender. The power of self-identification we have. Now this bill is saying you have to make an application before the district magistrate. Now the district magistrate, after receiving the application, that application will be sent to a committee.
President of Kanglepak Students Association Ningthaujam Chetan said that the future does not look so bright for the state of Manipur considering the present education system. Chetan was speaking during the 14th Foundation Day celebration of KSA at Tombisana High School in Phal. During the function, he also resented what he said unreasonable increase in the number of voters in different assembly constituencies of the state. He urged that the government should look into the matter. He also urged that besides the financial situation, the government should address other issues too. Chetan commented on the prevailing situation in Manipur and pledged KSA's support to Kokomi and Manpak in their movements. Kanglepak Students Association Jiribam District Council also celebrated the 14th Foundation Day of KSA at the Council Office premises located at Babupara, Jiribam. Deputy Commissioner of Jiribam District Mayang Lambam Rajkumar, President of KSA Jiribam District Council Lariam Bonson Singh and Pradhan of the Bong Gram Panchayat R.K. Nobinsana attended the event. The participants planted several saplings in front of Jiribam KSA office, inside the DC complex and other locations of the district to mark the day.
Satri community go over KSA message am representing Madudi Aboy Hojikti Sahilo Shalakadori Ari and no chance Lakadabsida. Pazaba Monda, Yam Pazamonda, Laila Shugi Maram Dahen, Puning Biduna, Hokuna Emma, Jiribamgi, Hokuna Emma, leadership quality da Amadi, kind of pre-atmosphere, can education Hiram da, in a Matik Magul Leba, Ama, own Boma portion.
On the other hand, President of KSA District Council Jiribam Lariam Bonson Singh said that the celebration solely focused on tree plantation. He also urged the students' community to concentrate on study.
I ngasagi on ba yam song na later ba matamasida kagi green mission namagi maongda sangchala iba pandam atumana thameraga em khara thameraga ujara thaban singba sigumba paikat pasi tungda so dumak tawbiu tungda lakadaba KSA ki any step thabak thoram sing koding maktaso positive oiba outcome ama oibiu haibasi haijaraga. I wish KSA all the very best in their endeavors.
Manipur State Shumang Leela Council held a state-level condolence meeting on the demise of noted Shumang Leela artist Ningthencha Ongbi Nungshitombi Devi, popularly known as Yuvraj Chinkhuba, at the deceased residence in Hairangoithong, Oinam Lekai, Imphal. Several renowned artists of Shumang Leela were present at the occasion. The council also extended monetary aid to the family of the late artist. Another short break, but coming up next. Kharif crop seeds distributed at Tengnopal district. Stay tuned for more updates.
Hi. Wedding sets karayenge.
Sure, ma'am. Sige sets ano yorok ni ma'am. Kimbi.
Je. Sisam phazadro. Sisam phazadro je.
Mobile furniture and wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chao pijari.
Phare de si torsia. Bhaiya je seli torsi. Sei se booking tak senjar.
Welcome back. Horticulture and Soil Conservation Moray organized an awareness cum training program under the supervision of Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture at Shaula Moray today. Kharif crop seeds were distributed to Wapi, Lokchao, Khudeng Thangbi and Chalwa villages under Thengnopal district as part of the program. 7 Islamists have been sentenced to death by a judge today for the 2016 attack at the Holy Artisan Cafe in Bangladeshi capital Dhaka, in which 22 people, mostly foreigners, were killed. According to media reports, 8 people were on trial, accused of planning and supplying with attackers with weapons, while 1 man was acquitted. The 7 convicted men were accused of belonging to Jamaat-ul-Mujahideen Bangladesh, an outlawed group. One of the suspected masterminds of the attack, Nurul Islam Marzan, was killed in a shootout with anti-terrorism police in January 2017. Now the sports news. A 4-day-long 19th Inter-House Annual Sports 2019 of Ruda Academy, Thobal has kick-started at the school premises today. Assistant Commissioner of Imphal West, Pujai Langbam, District Youth Coordinator Imphal West, Elisham Marjit Singh, and President of Players Association of India, Renedy Singh, attended the opening program as special guest. Pujai Langbam took salute during the march past parade by 4 contingents from different houses of the school. Speaking on the occasion, Pujai Langbam said students, being the future pillars of the society, should maintain a healthy and fit life. She also urged the students to take up extracurricular activities.
Every day, and I'm learning from all of you, especially young people, more than I actually learn from my books or, from even elder people. I think there is so much to learn from younger people because they are full of new ideas, original ideas, and full of life and potential.
On the 6th day of the ongoing 13th Manipur Polo International 2019 today, USA defeated India A Army by 9-3 in the last round league match of the first match at the historic Imphal Polo Ground. India B Manipur defeated England by 6-4 in the second match. India B Manipur will face England in the final match of the 8-day-long tournament to be held on November 29. Under the sponsorship of Birla Emporium, the Aztec Fight League season 2019 will be held from November 28 to 29 at Aztec Sports and Fight Studio located at BT Road, Imphal. This was informed by its founder Paramananda Thangjam today. Talking to media, Paramananda said that several renowned personalities from all over India are taking part in the league, which will be held on the theme India versus India. He added the league will help the Manipuri players to gain more experience. He also urged all martial arts fans to come and watch the league.
Aztec Fight League AFL Season 1 की 2019 की फाइटर सिंग लाइसे इंडिया की मफम पुनमक्ता यामना रिनाउन ओइरबा सुपर फाइट लीग ता यावग्रबा फाइटर मयाम अमा यावरी समना हारबदा अखोगी महाराष्ट्र मुंबई दगी फाइटर यावरी दिल्ली मार्शल आर्ट अकादमी दगी फाइटर कया अमा यावरी बेंगलोर दगी यावरी अमसुंग अखोगी मना अनकपा नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया दगी फाइटर कया अमसु यावरी सिगी थीम सी मणिपुर वर्सेस रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया फाइटर मयाम सिंगी अखोगी एक्सपोजर अमसुंग एक्सपीरियंस फंगनबा अखोइना सिंजा लाक्चमनी अदुगा अखोगी मणिपुर की लैरिबा मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट की मयाम नुसिजरबा अखोगी फ्रेंड अमसुंग फॉलोवर मयामना लागा मियंग ताबिनबा हाइना हाइजरी.
The Northeast United Football Club is all set to play their 5th match of the 6th edition of Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 against Mumbai City FC later today. The match will be played at Indira Gandhi Athletics Stadium in Guwahati from 7:30 p.m. NUFC head coach Robert Jarni is hopeful that the team will be able to keep up its good performances it had shown till now in ISL this year. As per the ISL standings for the season 2019-20, NUFC is at 5th position till now. Now, before we wrap up, the top headlines once again. Kokomi upset over refusal by Amit Shah to provide written assurance. CM Biren urges Kokomi to withdraw Sangai Festival boycott stand. And 400 farmers, Sonia Gandhi invited to Uddhav Thackeray's oath ceremony. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.